Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating a card layout and assigning it to a JPanel. This becomes the deck that holds screens. Once done, instantiate each card as a component, JPanel, JScroll pane, or custom component, and add it with a unique name using add card name. Make sure to call parent. Revalidate and the window. Pack or set visible true so the initial card renders. This gets you from 0 to a visible first card without delay and establishes stable identifiers for later navigation. You now handle navigation, call card layout. Show container name when you want a specific screen, or use next container and previous container for stepwise flows. For dynamic UIs, keep a map string component of names to components so you can update or remove cards safely. When adding or removing at runtime, call container, revalidate, and container. Repaint to apply changes. Make sure long-running tasks run off the EDT and use swing utilities. Invoke later for UI changes, otherwise you risk freezes or inconsistent state. Complete the workflow by wiring actions. Map buttons, menu items, or keystrokes to card layout. Show /next/previous so users navigate intuitively. Make sure each new card requests focus with request focus in window and exposes accessible descriptions for screen readers. When closing or swapping large content, remove listeners to avoid leaks. If the wrong card appears or UI doesn't update, the key troubleshooting step is to verify you use the exact string names and that you
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.